So I'm getting ready to do a concrete patio behind the house here. And the first thing I need to do is bring in a bunch of fill because I need to level this area out. Now, turns out I am doing this during the social distancing situation. So I'm gonna have to do this whole project myself. I gotta bring in all the dirt back here by myself. I'm going to have to hand mix all the concrete myself, lay everything myself. It's not an ideal way to do a concrete project, but I'm gonna show it can be done. Probably gonna hate myself when I'm done with this, but need something to do. So here we go. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm about a third of the way through the fill pile. And it's taken me a few hours to do this much, and it's fun stuff. It's a good workout. Time for a break. This is exhausting. What I am going to do though is I'm going to hose some of these piles in between to kind of help settle some of the new fill. One of the good things about watering the fill down is it actually kind of self-levels the sand for you as you go. So that's kind of a cool thing, and then hopefully it helps compact the new sand. So I'm just bringing back loads at a time, and then every now and then hosing them down real good with water. And I'm kind of creating a dam so the water stays on the side I am filling, and I think it's working out pretty well. Just a lot of work. Whew. So there it is, all 18 yards of dirt. And what I learned from it is I'm not as young as I used to be. It took me 2.5 days to get it all back here with just the one wheelbarrow and a shovel. So I let the fill sit a few days as is here, and I sprayed it occasionally, and my hope was that gravity over a few days would help kind of compress some of the fill itself. So now what I'm going to do is just to kind of lightly grate it out and then hand compact it for the first time. And I'm kind of eyeballing it, just want to kind of get it relatively close. And then I'll come back and set up the forms kind of temporarily to kind of see my exact elevations and then adjust the fill from there. But I'm going to try to tamper as much as I can. I'll probably do it several times, watering down in between to try to get this new fill as stable as I can before pouring the concrete. So a little interesting side note here, it's quite surprising what came in this fill. I just ordered fill dirt, and they said it would be good dirt, and I know fill dirt sometimes comes with chunks and things like that, but I found all kinds of interesting things. Obviously a lot of bricks. This looks like a very old brick. It's got some lettering on it, don't know where it's from. I have found a blade too, which looks like an edging blade. I've found car parts, I've found asphalt, I've found a lot of seashells and kind of stuff, which is kind of normal for this area. Just really weird stuff and a lot of rock. So that's kind of the nature of fill dirt. So we'll probably come back with some topsoil when this is all graded out, but some weird stuff.